friends, it's riddle time. Only a genius can answer these tricky riddles. I bet you can't. Let's give a try. I run, it runs. I stop, it runs. What it is? It's a heartbeat. What kind of cup can't hold water? It's a cupcake. What goes up but never goes down? It's an age. What invention lets you look through the wall? It's a window. I fly around but never go anywhere. I am a flag.